Back to Fun on the Farm, question number 3. Now, if you are feeling pretty confident on your answer for number 3, you can just fast forward to the end and see if your answers match up. I will tell you though, see this up here? I do want yours written in a complete sentence. It makes it a lot easier for us to really know if you know what you're talking about, and you're good to go then. But if you're a little bit confused or you just want to kind of watch my process, please stay tuned. Now, you might not, or some of the questions might be really easy, and that's okay. Like question number 3, this one you might not spend more than like 30 seconds on it, and that's just fine because different questions, like when we get to number 5, I believe it is, it's got 2 parts. Then you have to figure out some different things. 6 is a lot of creativity. So some of the questions will take a really long time. We did, during one of our 5th grade performance tasks, there was one question that actually, when I solved it, took me an hour and a half to solve because there were so many different parts to it and you had to be really careful, okay? But then there was other ones on that same performance test that literally took me 25 seconds. So not all problems are need the same amount of attention, okay? And that's totally fine. All right, so question number 3 says, according to Sarah's drawings, which animals have pens that are quadrilaterals? Well, this goes back to that vocabulary. We have to know what a quadrilateral is. Let's say you forgot what a quadrilateral is. Well, what part of the words do we know? Well, I've heard that word quad before. I've heard lateral before. Quad, what is that? Oh, yeah. A quadruplet is somebody that has 4 kids that are all born at the same time. Okay? So a quadruplet is 4. A quadrilateral is a type of shape. So laterals mean sides. That means shapes that have 4 sides. So very simply, I just have to look back at these ones. Well, the sheep, if I look at those, they have 6 sides. The pig, hey, that one, yes. I can count my sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Chickens, what about them? Yep, 4 sides. Cow. Well, yeah, we already talked about that. That's a square. It's got 4 sides. Now, I know this horse one, I don't know why it got cut off here. But, oh, yeah, I do actually know why. Comes up the next problem. But it's supposed to have 4 sides, but we're going to learn what happened. Okay, and the ducks. This one tricks a lot of people because they think that it has 4 sides because it's got these 4 little things. But if you actually count the sides, look how many it actually has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sides, okay? So that one's the one that usually trips people up, okay? So all you have to do is you have to put this into a complete sentence, okay? So I've already kind of outlined my sentence here, and I need to put the pigs, we said, chickens. And now I know this is math, but we also do need to use commas when we're making a list because I don't want you to see the pig, chickens, cows, things like it's one animal. You got to have spaces, okay? Cows and horses are pens that, oops, I forgot a word. Good thing we went back and checked it. That are quadrilaterals, and this is really important because they all have 4 sides. All right, so that was a nice quick one there. Hopefully you got that correct. If you didn't, remember a quadrilateral has 4 sides, and make sure you're counting those. Have a good one.